Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. God bless you for tuning in. To my old and new subscribers, God bless you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Sorry guys, I want to make this video, as I'm cooking, I'm talking, but the noise was too much, so I decided to make this voice over. So take me as I am. God bless you. So as you can see, I'm preparing to make okra stew. I don't know if you have done it before, but I have many ways of cooking my okra soup. Okay, so as you can see, I've already put the meat. You can use any meat of your choice. Yeah, in this pot I have a cow stripes and the chicken and the cow skin. Yeah, so you can make use of any meat you have at hand. Okay, so anyhow you cook okra, you must enjoy it. So the thing I use for the ingredients I'm using now to season it, I have onions there, stock cubes, salt, and I blended small onions, pepper, habanero pepper, and also ginger. Yeah, so I'm adding water to allow it to cook. Of course, I'm using my pressure pot so that everything will be fast. Okay, this is a lifesaver. So I will just leave it, then I will move to another thing. So in this pot I'm adding water. I want to make the okra that I'm going to use for this okra stew. Yeah, and as this water is boiling, yeah, I added onions. I love onions. I'm a fan of onions, farms. I added onions. If you use onions in your food, in fact, without using stock cube and other things, you have a very nice flavor and a tasting. You understand? So this is the okra. This okra is a frozen one. It's a fresh one that I cut it and put it in the freezer. So I brought it out to defrost, and here is it. Farms, if you want your okra to be slimy, you can add a little bit of a bicarbonate. Yeah, like this one I added a little. Okay, it was off camera. I added a little bicarbonate because I want it to draw. I'm not going to add obono. Okay, so here is it. This is the okra. I will allow it to at least cook for 10 minutes, and that is all. So let's cover it to cook. So here again is another pot to prepare the stew. I have the red oil. That's the red oil. You add according to the quantity you want. Okay, so here I have onions. You people will say this woman eat onions too much. Yes, so I love onions. So I added onions. Yeah, I will allow it to at least to fry a little bit. Okay, remember we are cooking okra stew. So now I'm going to add crayfish blended with a native Maggi. Yeah, and I'll allow it also to fry a little. Then here is my tomatoes. Farms, if you know, this is tomato made by Afro. If you want to know how I make this tomato, every year I make tomatoes. Yeah, if you want to know how I make it, I have this video on this channel. I have about 2 videos of how to make this puri. Yeah. So in this channel, so you can go and make your own tomatoes. Okay, so now I will add the meat. The meat is done. I told you pressure pot is a lifesaver. It's done. So I will add the meat, all the meat. Yeah, I tried to grill the chicken, but it's like it's taking my time because I added all of them while I was cooking. So I cook it a little bit and bring it out and put in the oven, but it's like taking my time. But I grill it a little anyway so that it will not scatter in the soup. This chicken we have here, we call it polo. So here is it. In fact, I feel like eating this with rice. Okay, so here is the chicken, as you can see. Okay, so gently you turn it. I'm turning it now. Yeah, this is just okra soup, and today it's Saturday. I'm making this soup against for Sunday, preparing it for Sunday. So once we come back from service, we just eat the soup. So here is it. It's just a 1 day soup. I'm trying to add the stock. Yeah, you allow it to simmer a little bit so that the ingredients will soak into the meat. Yeah, so farms, here is it. So this is this okra. You remember the okra, how I prepared it? In fact, it just a little, everything is done about the soup. I'm telling you, it's taking shape. So it's just a little thing, little minutes, the soup is done. Okay, so this okra, I told you I added a bicarbonate a little bit, and it's slimy. Yeah, this is how I want it to be, but it's too thick. I'll still add a little water. Okay, so I'm still trying to turn it to know how it's going to be before I will add the water. So here is it. By this time, this my kitchen is in another level. The soup is really taking shape. So I will cover it a little bit to simmer a little time. So look at it. It has been boiling. So this is the ugu leaf. You can use any type of leaves you want, vegetable you want, but because I have these pumpkin leaves, yeah, I always have it fresh and put it in the freezer. So here is it now. I added, you can use bitter leaf, you can use spinach, but in this soup I want these pumpkin leaves. Okay, wow, the soup is taking shape. This soup is taking shape. Oh. Who get fufu? Bring your plate. Let me add for you. Let me put your own soup for you. Okay. So I'm trying to test the salt to know how it is, because I don't like too much salt and I don't like too much seasoning cubes. Okay. So now I am adding the water. Okay. Actually, the water I added is the pot I use for this meat. I put water there and rinse it and put it there. Nothing we waste to. Nothing we waste to. At this time, this soup is taking shape. Oh. Oh, in fact, it's already in shape. It's already in shape. Bring your plates. Oh. Bring your plates. All those people that are doing mukbang, you need this soup for your mukbang. Okay. So here is it. I'm trying to know the consistency, to know how it goes, because I don't want it too thick, I don't want it too light. So let me cover it a little bit for the water to mix together. Farms, here is it. Here is it. Here is it. Wow, 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 wow. You can add fish, you can add, but this is how I want it for today. So families, you're watching up to this period, I thank you for stopping by. I thank you for watching up to this period. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you want to share. Oh God, there is no money that you pay when you share, and there is no money you pay when you like the video. Yeah, take this ministry to the next level. Okay, bye. God bless you.